What? Good morning and welcome to another beautiful week of John and Kathleen vlogs. We are going to get rid of Kathleen. She's got this spot on her chin. She was squeezed it ages ago and she's broken all the capillaries. And because I've been having these treatments to get rid of my redness, I spoke to Cinzia, we're going to meet now, and she's going to perform a little treatment on my mum's face to get her face removed and get a brand new one on there.
Without any wrinkles.
Without any wrinkles. It's called a bulldoctomy. So they're gonna get a, there you go, let's just lift all that crap up, put a bulldog clip at the back of your head.
If I had to cut my hair, I could have had a right time elastic band.
You could have done that. I think that's exactly what we're gonna try. Get that old face ripped off, get a new one. Probably one like mine because I'm so beautiful.
Inherited it from your mum.
What? But everything what I've inherited from you, I'm getting rid of. So nose, like
No,
massive.
Dad.
You've got a nose like that.
No, because it's...
Mother,
No,
you...
how the hell would I keep my glasses on if I got a bump there?
Because you've got ears. You know, it's because I've got it's
What?
unfortunate, massive. Look at that. Massive. It's just like a big nose on an head. Anyway, let's go and get ourselves beautiful, Kathleen.
Okay.
Come on. This old woman's been following me for the past 5 minutes. It's annoying. I hate it when you get those things. Not joking. I said that is uncomfortable, bearable, and she was like, "Oh, stop!" Because it's really painful.
That was a long time before I moved.
I know. I don't know. I jumped every time she did mine.
Well, I didn't.
At least it's gone though now. See the spot what she had, both gone. Clearer complexion. Just wait for the sweat. It's gone completely. Have you seen it? It's gone.
I can't see it. No, it's gone.
Dogs have gone out so late. It's like 1 o'clock. Sorry? Come on, you. Come on. Have you peed on that lamppost, Kathleen?
Yes.
Can you stop it? This is Fulham. We're not in Sheffield now.
Sorry.
Disgusting.
I'll just do it on Yorkshire Wildlife Park.
Better.
With a slabber on it.
You know, all we've been doing is sat on that bench, just like throwing the ball. You know, it's actually a nice cool day today. I'm exhausted, and it's that temperature we just want to sleep with the breeze blowing over your cool, slim, naked body. Is that right, Mum?
Yes. I'm going to go on the banister with no clothes on and let the wind blow over.
Not again.
And the exhaust.
Not again. I don't want.
The exhaust room for all the cars make you sleep better.
It's true. She talks some shit.
Huge amount of due diligence in the defended the plan ahead of his meeting with Prince Charles, who reportedly described the policy.
Do I need to bring anything? Do I have to pay for anything?
No, don't worry about it, darling.
Thank you.
Daddy will take care of it.
Good.
I've got his credit card.
Okay. Cheers.
But you can only have one bowl of pasta and no sauce.
No, Mum. I want everything. I want.
Look at me.
What?
That's it.
Thank you. Is my makeup alright?
Yeah, your makeup's beautiful. Not as nice as mine.
My nose looks
You
good.
look very pale.
Do I? Don't care. No. Just while my skin's getting. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to go out in the sun again properly, because I don't want to destroy my skin.
What's that?
I've never
Talking
had
about
a-
my beautiful face.
Yeah, I've never had a lot of sun on the skin, have you, face?
No.
When I'm away, I put makeup on at night. I use sunblock in the day.
We're going to eat Italian.
finally on holiday. I'm just settling down. So look at the view. There you go. Beautiful Albania. Lydia, how many kilos you are?
85.
He's heavier than me, I know that. And he's not even 20 years old.
Take the piss.
Take the piss.
Take the piss.
Ja, maar spoenoga ga.
No, pretty. Oh, yeah.
Best de cada kilo.
Yeah. Hide.
This little lady here, she is the worst photographer in the world. I've tried so many times to take one nice picture from her. She is rubbish. Don't hide.
Cheers, Daniel. Hope you're enjoying your teetotal holiday. And we'll get so pissed, buy some drugs, dance naked around the street. That's my plan. Just look, they've got a nice garden over there. We can go out and have a look in a bit. Fucking entertainment's crap in this hotel. We've just complained. Oh, they're not doing anything. They're just walking around, crouching down, you know, and waiting for them to start singing. Nothing's happening. John, can you go over here and take some photos of us? So I did, you know. I think that's what they want. They want to take me out, use and abuse me, get some crappy food down my throat. For free. Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. It's very light and fruity, isn't it? It's, yeah. It's very, very fragrant. Oh yeah, yeah. I get why you said that now. Yeah.
I think it's my favourite.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You have to try to cook off and you have to tell them.
She can't eat garlic. My eyes are tired now, you know. I just slept this afternoon. What's this called? What is this? Yeah, it's a. No, it's got a name. It's got a name. Where no, there's a specific name with something that goes all the way around. So they sit on there. I forgot it. No, it's not a circle seat. It's something like a conversation seat.
No, that's when you've got one backwards face.
Shit. Anyway, it's a round sofa.
You know this shape of it, one sits that side, one sits that.
Are you sure? I don't know. Not everything.
Let's prepare. It's so hot in here, even this fan is not doing anything. You know, it's funny. My mother asked me why do I have such big nipples. And I said to her, you know, you should tell me because I was born that way. And she says, no, you've been pulling them. Mother knows.
itching to get off, you know. You are, I know you are. He's like, went down this morning, he put a toothbrush in the car, came up upstairs again, he says, I'm packed up downstairs. Now he's looking at the traffic. Thing is, you see, I was saying to him.
There's only one person, everybody there.
Yeah, there will be, yeah. Just travelling to work. It is the rail strike, terrible. But I'm saying that if he goes now, he's likely he could be stuck in traffic for an hour and a half just to get on the M4, which is not really good. You know, let me check for him, otherwise he can make an informed decision.
Very good with my beard because I think it stops from getting even somehow. I'm just waking up at 6 a.m. Yeah, get rid of the beard right now. Oh, now you can see the whole imperfections of the face. God, look at me.
Can you believe it's 6 a.m. and I am in the beach? This is too early for me. I tried to prepare myself to get into the water, but it's a bit cold for this time of the morning. But I will get into the water.
The roads have actually cleared up now, so I think this should be okay going back. Anyway, Mum's going to come out with me, take the dogs just for a little bit, say goodbye to that old bag. You know, she could have paid for a lot more for me while she was down here. I don't think that she respects me or loves me. She needs to show appreciation for me by buying me shit. You know, this is how it works. You can see that, Kathleen. I said you need to show your appreciation for me a little bit more. I said you need to show your appreciation for me a little bit more by buying me more shit. She's tight, you know? I've never known anything like it. Anything what I want, she should be buying me. I hate her. Found these other tart at the park. She hasn't been successful in finding a flat. She got rejected because they just took one look at her. They went, no, we're not having you living there. She's still looking. I don't want her to live around here because I fucking hate her. Come on, let's go. Get out of my house.
Don't do this to me again.
Just leave. I can't stand it. They always overstay their welcome. You know, they sponge off me all the time. I hate it. You know, I don't even know why they come down. I don't even know why I allow them to come down. I think in the future, what I'm going to do, I'm just never going to let you come. That's it. See you, Mummy and Daddy.
See you later, baby.
See you. I hope you have a nice drive back.
You will. If you mighty toes, let me run over him again.
Huh?
Mighty toes, don't let me run over him again.
Okay, mate. I'm so sorry they're going. Bye. Good riddance.
Well, you can buy anything really cheap and fake. They look really good. Okay, go. We're just gonna go to the pirate ship. Okay, why are you in the cage? Are you ready to die? Are you ready to die in a pirate ship? Oh! Now this one, it's very empty. Nobody in the place. Weird. Look at this other one. Packed.
This is so nice, so nice. No Daniel, we've got the dogs in bed with me this morning and watching crap TV. I was in foul mood yesterday, if you remember. And I'm just like, oh, just chill in the dark, watching TV. Oh, it's so freaking nice, it really is. It's funny, isn't it? That happiness comes from contentment, you know, trying to phase out all the troubles. Leave your troubles behind you. Watch some shit on TV. Okay. Oh God, here we go now. They will all relax. Now you've disturbed me. Go on, piss off. Since my mum and dad's been down, you know, my diet's been pretty shit. So I'm not thinking about what I'm eating and I'm not exercising. It's been a little while. So I've just gone inside the shop and I bought some more shit. You know, I bought a couple of decent things like chicken, but then I bought some cake and I bought a pizza again. Look, I'm not eating a lot, but I'm still eating I think I've just got to transition out of this food. So today's my last day of holiday, let's say, my last day off, and then I'm going to work tomorrow. It is Sunday tomorrow, but I'm going to have to do the vlog because I'm going to be in Sheffield, or am I? Yeah, because I'm going to be in Sheffield in a couple of days. So I want to make sure that I get the vlog done so I don't have to worry about that while I'm away. Ooh. Pizza, buns, lots of grapes. Oh, feel full as fuck. Oh, no, stop it, please, stop it. Oh, I've had enough. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Even though I've been laying in bed all day, sleeping most of the day, done nothing. Lazy motherfucker.
We're just waiting for my dad to put some gas in his air conditioning. I'm like, it's so hot and you don't have air conditioning because you don't want to put gas in the car. So now he's doing it. Obviously I'm gonna pay. We're gonna make Mama's tiramisu. Beach further away from the hustle and bustle of the tourists, so I think the only locals come here and it's not very busy, so it's gonna be nice. And we're so many of us, it's gonna let them make some noise. What are you doing? This beach is miles and miles and miles, and at the end of the city there could be around 7 miles. Unbroken beach. Amazing. Good job. It's really a shame because it's so much plastic around here and it's such a beauty and it's just unbelievable. Look at me, I look like a lobster. Bora. Come on. Come on, Bora. Come on. Come on, Bora. We are going to make some beautiful tea tonight.
Te non dora.
Thank you.
Bravissimi. Je djeli mirëmo, je për shtëpi, je për gjithë. Ciao.
Millie was absolutely disgusting this morning. Took her downstairs to have a poo. Anyway, I saw this poo coming out. I was thinking, oh my God, this is really long. At the end of this poo, there was a lollipop stick. I'm not joking. It looked like a Malteser lollipop. It was disgusting. I don't know how she ate it. I never saw it. Picked it up. She ate the whole thing and all the shit was stuck to it. Horrible. I just met Lorna and she's an interesting character. I mean, first of all, of course, she wants to have sex with me, which is quite normal, you know, because I'm gorgeous. And look at her body, because we were talking about how amazing her boobs are. And she had them done just 2 weeks ago. Oh, these are completely natural. But they are, they're not. I don't, because you said they are, but I don't think they are natural. But I did find out that Lorna does something which I've always wanted to do. And that is to work with dead people. She's an embalmer and I find that incredibly interesting. So maybe in the near future we might get together and she might show me what's dead below the waist, because apparently she is. It is Sunday and I am working, which is fine, you know, I'm just doing your vlog. It's got to be done because I've got such little time next week. And if that's out of the way, that's a little bit of stress off me. And then I've nearly done it. I've got one more day to do. Send it to render. Oh, chicken's done. I'm not going to eat any more crap. So it's back to my normal diet now. And this chicken was bought across the road. It was all done, you know, all butterflied and beautiful, which really affected me today. I felt like crap. Look at this. My mum, okay, Cocoa Pops. What did I do? I ate 3 bowls of them last night. Bought 2 buns, ate them, and I had ice cream. And I haven't been doing any kind of exercises, so it's going to take me a few days to get into it. So I'm thinking, try and get my energy level back by not eating crap. So I just had my normal stuff, which was, I just had some, you know, granola, even though I think that granola is a bit sweet. I'm not tasting it again this morning. But maybe I'll have porridge tomorrow. And then I got more chicken and there's a bit of steak in there. Lots of pots, which I don't intend doing until I could be bothered. Because I don't have to, Daniel ain't here. That food has fucked my body up because what I forget, which I know, your body crashes having so much sugar yesterday, and then today I was craving sugar, so no more. I'm just going to force myself not to, and then get back into my normal diet, which isn't right. When you eat sugar and carbs and stuff like that, you want more and more and more and more, you know. But you're eating like meats and vegetables, you don't. No, this chicken, it was convenient. It was £4. And they only butterflied it, put it in a tray, and it's supposed to be seasoned. Very lightly seasoned. I do like things more seasoned. You want a bit of chicken? You can have some, Millie. Okay, don't forget you, Jack. You ready? It's a bit hot. Just let it cool down on the floor.
Je m'appelle Daniel, comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Mariette, et toi? Stai bene?
Je m'appelle Daniel. Je t'aime, Paris.
Anche io, no, je t'aime a te, no Paris. Tutti io, Paris.
Mais not dialogue. I'm literally so burned that I need to stay in the water just to cool down. And I can't stay in the sun anymore for another 2-3 days. Like a lobster. Ses bakacağız. This will go in the fridge for until the morning. Good night.
A little anxious today. I've got a lot to do. I can't remember what time Jack's appointment is this morning at the vet, and I've got to go and get a carpet. I've got to do quite a lot. I am actually really pleased that I did the vlog yesterday, and then take the dogs very early now. It's nice and cool and get them tired. Just got to get my fucking shit together this morning. Yeah, I'm doing something which it just came to mind actually. I have house insurance, and I've just had to take one of the laminate flooring boards off because I called up the house insurance and they said they won't actually cover the laminate floor which was destroyed with the water what came in last week. Anyway, they said that they would cover the carpet which is underneath the rug. I'm like, oh, underneath the floor. And I'm thinking, oh my God, that means I have to rip one up, which I did. Take some photos of that, send them through. But, you know, this is a fucking nightmare, I'll be honest. I'm gonna go down and see somebody and see if they can come up and get a quotation quickly. Because I've just got to get this done. This floor is disgusting. The carpet's all wet underneath the laminate flooring. It's got to be done. Crap. Millie, no. Oh my God. So the cricketers have come and put 3 balls over by the stumps there. Millie got one and she's eaten all the way around it. So there's like holes. It's like a golf ball now. I'm gonna get into trouble. But that was nice going to the park. You know, there was lots of people I didn't see, never seen before, never really want to see again because they stink. All those fucking dogs. Honestly, you know, these Vizslas, my beautiful animals, apparently they don't smell like other dogs. They've got a slightly different kind of odor. Whether that's true or not, you can't tell, but I will tell you now, they do. Because for example, Sonny has a really doggy smell, well, maybe because he's a dog as well, because I know dogs smell more. I know I smell more, but I smell more beautiful.
This is practically my town's version of Westfield. It's quite cute. It's literally food envy. You know, every time I come here, I need to buy everything. They still sell blackberry. Well, today I'm gonna have a day off from getting burned, and I've decided to clean the windows, and there are 31 windows and I need to clean them, all of them, nice and shiny. Spend all day cleaning the windows, and I think they'll be shining today.
So these ladies invited me to the Captain Cook, and I didn't know that they do Spanish tapas. And this is, I want to say, this is Prius, and so it's just ordered some. No, but she told me her name. She says she doesn't mind Prius or Hyundai, anything like that. It's, I always get it wrong. Priel. Is it Priel? Priel. Orange Priel. And she's ordered some churros, and these are potato churros. What is that?
It's too classic for you, John.
And then obviously, you know, the Greek birds ordered a burger. Actually, that's not the Greek in her. That's the New Yorker in her. Is that what you do? That's so used to eating burger. So you bastard. That could be my name. So so in Greek, how would you say, "Come and get me, boys, I'm beautiful"? That's which ones I had. Sorry? No, so we're doing a video, it's okay, but thank you so much. Yeah. It's got the weirdest hair ever, honestly. Curly hair. I don't know what it is. Boys are getting their hair curled nowadays. I'm eating prawns. Bye. That was lovely. Night. I wasn't expecting to come out, but I think it was good. Little break before I go back. Oh my god, I've got to clean the fucking flat. There's no way I'm going to return back to the flat. It's going to be dirty. I can't be dealing with it. Oh, a bit nervous. I think I got everything right. I've got like some clothes out just there. I've got my bike packed full of some stuff. My fucking battery charger broke. So I just ordered another one and sent it to my mum's. You know, this is an expensive business. 30 quid here, 100 quid there, 50 quid here. Not joking, 100 quid on petrol to get there and back. And you know, it just adds up. But it's my job. You know? And I've got to be perfect at it. What is wrong with me? I'm just so happy Laurie's coming with me tomorrow because I didn't want to drive in the car all the way to Sheffield. And you know, with this photo shoot with Laurie, it should turn out amazing. Oh my God, if we can get in without getting thrown out, then these locations are stunning. And I'm going to share them with you. Just a couple of days. So Laurie down at Banana just turned up, and just after, I saw Millie licking this McDonald's little tub with plastic with like sauce in it. And I thought, where is it? I thought, oh my God, I hope she wasn't eating it. So obviously she had yarga dripping from her fucking face. So I cleaned that up, and then she vomited all inside the car, everywhere. So I just cleaned it off now, and then obviously the sick was, yeah, so the sick was everywhere. So Laurie ate it all because she's had no breakfast.
Exactly. Delicious. Delicious.
Caught into Rowena's. Oh my God. I'm sorry, I didn't show you because it's just not nice. And then came back out again, fucking vomit all over the floor. But at least Laurie's not hungry.
At least you give me lunch as well, right?
Breakfast and lunch.
What will you have for dinner, John? I think
what?
you're shit.
You know what? And I think you're never going to be hungry again because honestly, I need a big burger as well. I didn't want.
Save it for my dinner, please.
I will do. Do you want anything else with it, like a salad?
A little bit of salt and pepper. Make sure it's spicy. Delicious.
Yeah. So this is my little village, which I was born in, and this is where I used to walk around when I was a kid. All these beautiful stone houses.
Very beautiful.
She's a spaniel. We've got spaniel eyes. Look.
Garden looks nice, Mum.
The lawn's a mess because I've just, you know, the skylight to get all the moss out, and it's taken a lot of the grass out. So for my birthday, you guys buy me 2 bags of topsoil so I can dig all the moss out and then reload.
So noisy. Mum's taking out the bloody garden, and we have to go now. I've got like half an hour, 40 minutes to get there. You need to go. Come on, man. I actually don't know where to park. Let's park up there. How did they get up there? Is that staff parking? Shall I just... I'll just put you here now, yeah, and we'll walk up. Just don't want to walk too much. So Andy's our kind of like guide for the day, and he's showing us around. Laurie, look, dolphins over there. We're gonna check this place out. Oh, she's gonna have to unlock it. Apparently it smells like fish, which is fine, but as long as it's got enough light in here, that will be perfect. Are you hungry? Can you smell that fish?
No, not anymore. You feed me with some rabbits with...
Hello. What have you found, Laurie? Laurie! Oh,
No, it's here,
sorry,
here,
darling,
here.
sorry. We're in the wallaby enclosure. I just said, you're going to see the wallaby. She's like, no. What the fuck? She said, I want to see a lion.
Yeah.
You know, the wallabies are cute, and there's no fences around here. You can just like, they can come up, like, lick your balls, and then...
Quite small, so that...
Not kangaroos, they're wallabies. They're cool. What did you think of the lemurs?
They are cute.
When you first saw it, you said that you didn't like them.
Disgusting and creepy, but then once I get closer with them, I think we become friends.
But I don't care, 'cause you do like me.
What do you think? Are you hungry? Do you want to come grab yourself a bite to eat?
Maybe I need to renew my extension.
We're losing our, we're losing our, we're losing our.
This is the educational bug room. So apparently there's lots of different insects around here. I mean, obviously you saw this massive. I used to have these as kids, not that big.
John, thank you for this little present.
Well, I thought this one can go with your other one. I'm officially bored.
I cannot live here more than a week. It's too boring. Okay, sun, good food, but I'm too young to retire. It's 8 p.m. and I just woken up. I'm gonna go to the beach just for a little bit. Well, I was hoping to see the sunset, but there's clouds in the sky, so that's the best you can see. No sunset. By the way, the mountains, the mountain, you can't see the mountain. No. There.
Yeah, a little bit, please. Thank you.
She can have the dream.
Thank you, Father. We're going in the pool. Are we all nice and relaxed? Yvette is absolutely drunk. Are you drunk? She is.
Oh my god, this is so nice. It's so warm. Honestly.
A long day working. All of us at college, at the park, and now we're relaxing with a little drink. I'm so tired.
You're born tired, John. You're born to rest, actually.
I've been banished to my back seat. We've got Richard and Laurie in the front because we are going on a video and photo shoot with Laurie now. So Richard's driving, my brother. Laurie's in the front. And we're going to go to this amazing place in Sheffield, which hopefully is going to be light, you know. We've just arrived at our first location, actually. The one what we went to, what we might see, we were going to see it later. It's locked up. It's fine, Richard. my brother, he knows where to go, I think. Okay, let's get going. Come on, what's he doing? He's on the phone. Got to like your beautiful face.
Yeah,
Come on, climb through Laurie's hole. Fucking hell, this place is actually quite amazing. You know, some of the shots what you can get in here.
I think we don't need many locations.
Do you see what? Do you know what I mean? You get
Honestly.
absolutely incredible.
Waste time by moving.
There's one specific area which we're going to go to, and then first of all, okay. But you did say that the one with the is lighter. Oh, you think? Oh my God! Look at this.
Yeah.
Don't walk too far.
God. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh. God. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's a bit fucked.
This bit, you're alright on this bit. But look at this. Look at this.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Eh? Oh my God. Gotta be really careful
The
here.
other room's even better than this.
Because it's the floor's
See,
not
the floor,
good.
if you go here, alright, just walk, stand on there.
How you feeling, bitch?
Cold.
How's your vagina?
Cold.
How's your vagina?
Very nice. Yeah, this is really he's heavier than you anyway.
Let's go to the sides.
Yeah, stop at this side. You stand on that, that's fine. Okay, stand where John is.
I know, I got nerves
On that
as
one,
well.
it's fine, promise you. Come on, look, it's fine. It's only that little bit wants to dodge you. I think it is that, but I don't think. Right.
Oh my God.
You okay, Laurie? This place is massive, massive. Completely abandoned, nothing here whatsoever. I feel a bit better I'm down on concrete floor. That's such a shame. I would have loved to have seen this in its heyday. People actually working here and what it was used for. Nettles. Oh. Cool. Okay, I see. Oh, honestly, the mat, that mat. What? No, it's just the straps come out. What? One more shoot and then Laurie's dying for chicken korma. We're all dying for chicken korma.
All hungry.
Starving. So tired.
Like a little electronic buzzer on your keys, and you can phone it on your phone.
And you can find the keys.
We're going.
That's so easy.
See ya.
Wait a minute.
Alright, I'll see you soon.
See you soon, look.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Keep your social interaction. Keep your social interaction.
Where's the thing for me?
In the boot.
Thank you.
You too.
Come here, you.
I love you too. And thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
I've seen every inch of her body except an inch. And you know, she asked me to put oil on her, I'll be honest with you. And I was really freaked out. And every time I was touching it, she was saying, oh yeah, baby. And honestly,
He was so scared to touch my body.
I'm just not scared to touch. It's your body. It is your body. It's nobody else's.
So what are you saying is the fact that my body scares you or?
No, there's just a lot of it.
I can understand that I have to lose like 5 kilos, but come on, I'm not so ugly.
I don't know. What did you think? Oh, you haven't seen the video yet. Do you want to see the video?
Of course I want.
It's fucking so
Yeah?
cool.
Yeah?
Okay,
Let me check it.
we'll put it now.
Okay.
You just keep coming back. I used to dig your chemistry.
C'est bon. C'est bon. Amir bon.
Such a heavy weekend. You know, I just put all my stuff in plastic bags. I didn't even think of my mum gave me these cushions under there. Oh. Okay. See you later, Dolly.
Honestly, thank you for taking my
Please,
pictures.
not too close. I have done for today, and I've done for the week. Haven't I? This is the last shot. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know there was a lot in it with everything like Daniel in Albania and obviously me, and well, obviously I know you tune in just to see me because I'm amazing. And I'll see you next week when you tune in at 6:30.